Join us Wednesday, December 17th at 1 p.m. for the live and online auction of Bonita Springs Ranch, a rare opportunity to own a highly productive and diverse 3,559-acre ranch in the rolling plains of Meade County, South Dakota. Located just 8 miles south of Enning, this expansive property will be offered in 7 tracts, appealing to farmers, ranchers, investors, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Bonita Springs Ranch offers the perfect balance of tillable farmland, hay ground, CRP, and native grass, creating both income potential and long-term agricultural strength. CRP acres provide steady annual income, with flexible management options for haying and grazing that enhance the ranch's versatility. The combination of productive soils, reliable water, and excellent access makes this a truly turnkey operation. Bull Creek flows through the western edge of the ranch, supported by multiple dams, tanks, and a dependable well system that delivers water across every pasture. A Cobet waterer, stock tanks, and hydrants ensure consistent water for both livestock and wildlife. The property features new wildlife-friendly fencing and strong infrastructure throughout, designed for efficient management and livestock rotation. Ranch improvements include a steel Quonset with a concrete base, multiple barns and corrals, and a steel lustrum home, ready for year-round use or expansion. Adding to its uniqueness, Bonita Springs Ranch features a registered turf runway, giving buyers the rare opportunity to fly directly into the property. Beyond its productivity, Bonita Springs Ranch offers outstanding recreational and wildlife opportunities. The native grasslands, rugged hills, and secluded creek valleys create a natural sanctuary for deer, antelope, and upland birds, while the area is well known for producing exceptional big game genetics. This is a place where livestock thrive, wildlife flourishes, and natural beauty stretches as far as the eye can see. Don't miss this rare South Dakota land offering. Bonita Springs Ranch, selling Wednesday, December 17th at 1 p.m., live and online. For complete details, contact Justin Durga or Jeff Garrett, or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.